People walking by are constantly stopping and going, really like your roof. I've met more friends because they like the roof. I've lived here only about 15 months. I lived in Vancouver and big nature guy, liked the quieter pace of life. I came over, started to look at some houses on Vancouver Island, and this was the first one I found in this area. The inspection showed it was a cedar shake roof, about 21 years old. Life expectancy was still considered 4 to 6 years. It's also a fire hazard. And at that time, I wasn't sure whether I should have a shingle roof or a metal roof. Obviously, metal is more expensive than shingles. I was also considering very briefly about a cedar, but ruled that out pretty quickly. And I wanted something that would pop. I talked to a number of companies, just Interlock. What I found, and this was after the fact kind of thing, it has a 3D quality, which I really like to it. So if you look at a standard roof, everything's flat. Depends on the angles, but it's flat. And if you look at the ridges that they do on this particular roof, it seems to add some depth all around it. So depending on the angles, everything, and especially depending on where the sun is and the shade and the shadows, it really gives an impression that there's depth to this roof. And it really enhances it from an aesthetic perspective. I think the roof is awesome. I think the color, it's like a dark charcoal. So I'm having the house painted, so just to reflect it even more. Well, and this one jumps out at people. As I said, it's so unique, and I've had, again, people I don't even know, and they'll stop and they'll kind of come up this little pathway here and they'll say, do you mind we come up and take a look and talk to you about your roof? There's this lifetime warranty with Interlock. Now, it's not going to do me a whole lot of good because I am a senior, but it's transferable, which was good. And part of the reason I committed to putting a new roof on is because it had 4 to 6 years left on the roof, and I just went, I don't want it to start leaking before that time. And again, when you have the opportunity to make the change, that's what I decided to do. The roofs are very expensive, and this one was extremely expensive, but it was cheaper than the other metal quote I got, which surprised me. So it was really a question of, initially I thought cost savings were important, which is why I was leaning towards a shingle roof. Everything has gotten really expensive, and I think people need to understand that. Prices have gone way up. From the fact that it was a cedar shake required me to then to have plywood put down. Plywood had gotten very expensive. You've got to throw out the concept that it's going to be the same kind of price or it's gone up by 10 or 15%. Costs of everything has gone skyrocketing. A new roof is a huge undertaking, and I think they have to understand what their budget is to start with. Like, they have to have a very, very good range, but they also have to understand that it's going to be expensive. If I have to say anything about the crew that worked this, they were unbelievably responsive. They were here 7 o'clock in the morning. They worked till 5:30 in the afternoon. They kept you informed. And one of the things that really, really impressed me was, because they're taking off cedar shake and they've got to put plywood, my concern was what kind of sharp objects would be left behind. And every day there was one guy that was assigned to clean the whole property up. So the property was cleaned up every day, and that was huge. It wasn't part of my initial calculations, but then I could walk outside and say, yeah, the roof is up here. Look, everything's clean. So there was no debris left around, and to the point of picking up small little pieces. And they even had a little machine that picked up little pieces of metal, which I thought was very cool. The crew was awesome, and it was a hot summer, and they worked long hours. They never let up, so I highly recommend them. That particular crew was huge game changer once I had already committed to the project. You're watching all these raw materials sitting in your driveway, and slowly the piles go down and slowly you see it take shape, and yeah, I'm very impressed with the end product. One of my big concerns with metal was how loud is it when it rains, because we're living in the wet coast. And what I found was there's a sound barrier that they put on, because the sound is much less than I've ever experienced with a metal roof before. And that was awesome. So it's one of those things, it's raining and you can kind of tell it's raining, but it's not like this heavy sort of pounding on the metal. These are built-in gutters, and they didn't have to take those apart, but they relined them and did all the work that was required. A lot of skylights, and that was all done flawlessly. The water runs off, goes right down the drains. Don't get any kind of moss, anything else growing on it, which is important because you look at other roofs. This is, again, it's a wet climate. You can do a basic roof with a basic material, or if you've got the money and you want to just take that extra step, then that's something you should consider. I love the Interlock roof for so many reasons. Like, just the quality of the material, the way it looks. It's got the only roof I know around here that looks like a 3D roof. So I think it's awesome. It's quiet. The water runs off, goes right down the drains. Don't get any kind of moss, anything else growing on it, which is important because you look at other roofs. This is, again, it's a wet climate. You can do a basic roof with a basic material, or if you've got the money and you want to just take that extra step, then that's something you should consider. And again, look at the warranties. Quality is really important to me. Workmanship is very important to me. Hard work is really important to me. So I had a lot of criteria that were critical versus important versus nice to have. And I found this company has hit the marks enough that even prior to doing this, as soon as the roof was finished and the crews had packed up and gone home, I wrote a note to the company just saying, this is an awesome product and I'm very happy. Everybody in the system, even one of the administrators I talked to, she was excellent. Everybody knows the role. It's seamless and nobody dropped the ball. They're going to be late with something, they phone you and tell her. That's all I asked for.